Okay, I'm gonna have to do this in a few parts because my phone is about to die, but my scoops came in. Yay! Must be my third round of scoops. Yay, yay, XXL frozen coffin. I wanted some of these. I tried finding them on the store and I guess I was looking in the wrong place. I couldn't find them. But yay. 24 carat almond. I do like the almonds. They look so, those are so pretty. Those look very natural. Princess pink almond. Ooh, those are pretty. XXL pipe shape nails. Clear. Sculpture almond medium. Princess pink coffin. .24 carat coffin. Ooh. Frozen coffin. XXL dazzling beige coffin. Oh, those are pretty. XXL 24 karat coffin. Ooh. Oops, upside down. Frozen almond. I think I'll just go ahead and record until the phone just shuts off. It likes to do that. Honey peach honey peach coffin. Ooh, those are cute. I like that color. Eternal beige almond. Round. Mini stiletto. Nice try. This one is honey peach almond. These are pretty. These are awesome. These are just all really pretty colors. Really pretty nails. Dazzling beige almond. I love the sparkle. Oh my gosh, the glitter. Mini stilettos. Okay, I am a glitter fanatic. If it's sparkly, it's got my attention. I have a severe traumatic brain injury, and a lot of damage was done to my occipital lobe, so sparkles are very, very eye-catching. Honey peach almond. That's not exactly why, but, or maybe it is. I don't know. I'm not a brain surgeon, so. Sculpture almond medium. Oh no, these are pretty. Oh, these are pink. Look at the pink on those. Good Lord. Lord have mercy, princess pink coffin. Oh, those are gorgeous. Extra large or extra long pipe shaped nails. It's extra long. I think I've been pronouncing it wrong this whole time, so I'm over it. 24 karat coffin. Right. I will plop those out of my phalanges. Frozen coffin. I'm a very sciencey, nerdy person. I used to say phalanges all the time. It tickled me to the core to hear Max saying phalanges. Well, not with my southern accent, obviously, but XXL frozen coffin. And more 24 karat almond. Oh, I love these. I'm so glad I got a bunch more of these sparkly. Oh, sparkly, sparkly. So many files. So many files. And this is a 4-scoop, and it does have extra items that I ordered in it. So all kinds of nail files in there. Woo! Okay, what got my attention the second I opened this box before I grabbed my phone was this. Oh, look at that! It's purple and sparkly. Oh my god! This is like this right here. This is my favorite piece of the entire box. This made the entire box worth it. I love this. Like, it's just nail polish. Yeah, it's heavenly. I love it. Stickers. Okay. I'm sure there's probably more in there somewhere. Yeah, really pretty filigree. I got a practice mat to practice doing filigree on. All right, and another one. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, are those fingernail tab things? Those aren't stickers. Those are those polish tabs. I'm not sure. Yeah, looking again. Okay, nail stickers. All right. Oh, look at those. Those are gorgeous, and they're red, white, and blue. Oh my, these are pretty. Leo, pretty kitty. Oh my gosh, I got some acrylics. Yay! And the Grand Champion. I did purchase acrylic as well. Oh, the neons. Oh my gosh. Those are pretty. Oh man. Oh my gosh. This just speaks to my soul. I'm not sure how I'm going to unwrap one-handedly, but if it happens. Oh my gosh, look at those. So pretty. The shimmer on those. Yeah, I will be doing a swatching eventually too. Oh, more files and a